You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce the stage name of this American rapper, and more names of celebrities from music? Just like the expression ASAP, as in as soon as possible, but with a dollar symbol that doesn't change the pronunciation. It's pronounced like an S. ASAP, Rocky. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.